First item on the agenda today is to flip the bird wing over. Oh, by the way, my old boon tag. Welcome to Aviation Farming and the Delta 4 hangar, Glendale, Arizona. In case you didn't know, my old boon tag is the Visayan word for good morning. After the bird wing flip, the build boss dude is checking to make sure that the wing is resting on each wood support at a rib point. Also checking to make sure that the wing isn't resting on any clecos. I'm going to drill and rivet the attachment point of the wingtip cap on this bottom side, but not everything will be riveted. We're going to leave the trailing edge unriveted because we'll have to take that off eventually again. This first drilling is just small pilot holes and being held with silver clecos. The final drill to the final size, I will drill it out and immediately put a rivet in and no more clecos, because the more times you put clecos in there, you waller out the hole in the plastic a little bit. Long story short is I only put in a cleco in this material one time, take it out one time, that's it. It's too easy to elongate holes when you're putting clecos in and out of this material. Where the nose cap and the trailing edge wingtip cap connect down the center, I elect to use a special soft rivet. There's a little bit of inboard outboard flexing at this point, so the soft rivets may be able to help prevent cracking along this rivet line. Here I'm riveting the bottom of the root nose skin. Bird wing flip again. Here I'm riveting all the support L angles underneath this outboard top skin in between the ribs. Here I'm riveting the top of the wing tip cap to the skin. Look, it's an LRU. Audio board. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.